I think if I didn't make the commitment to vlogging this no spend challenge, I would have quit. I'm still really sick. I feel so far behind in my life. It sucks. I really just want to get takeout, be lazy, treat myself to something to feel better, not have to think. I was also T-boned this morning on the way to work. I am so tired, but I feel dedicated to this. I am going to get through this illness. I am just going to not worry about the rest of my life falling down around me, because you know what? It will be fine. And I can reset my life and start anew. And I don't have to spend money to make myself feel better. I can do this. It's about 2 in the afternoon. I'm just home from work and I'm going to continue resetting my space and my life and getting myself back together. I think step 1 is going to be cleaning up my room. I cleaned up quite a bit of my room. Now I'm going to do a face mask. Now that I look nice and spooky, I can make some green tea and get going on my bullet journal. The mask started to feel a bit funny, so I took it off, and now I'm just catching up on a week's worth of work. Of course, I can't catch up just in an afternoon, but just doing a few simple things like cleaning my room and washing my face makes me feel like a bit of a human again. I'm glad to be back. My client lives right near the Container Store, so I thought I'd stop by. Very difficult not to buy anything at the Container Store. In this same closet is a Barnes & Noble. I happen to have a Barnes & Noble gift card, and I also happen to need a new journal, so I'm gonna see what they have. Okay, just got back from Barnes & Noble. Something amazing happened. I spent like 30 minutes looking for the perfect journal. I'm very picky about journals, as you should be, and I finally found this one. 10 bucks. I get to the register, the cashier rings it up and says, "Oh, this book is $2?" And I said, "It clearly isn't. That's clearly a mistake." I said that. It says $10 right here where she scanned it. She gave it to me for $2, so I still have $8 on this gift card. P.S. Since this weekend, I have spent $0. Good morning. It is 8 a.m. I just took a shower. Everyone else in my home is still asleep, like the little angels that they are. I have been up since 5:30 doing things. It's day 10, it's Saturday. I feel much better this Saturday than I did the previous Saturday. Today I'm going to do another grocery shopping trip because I got something exciting from Fred Meyer in the mail last night. I am using this weekend. Oh my god, all the coupons are for all the exact things I buy every week. I know I should be creeped out, but I'm just excited right now. I'm making my grocery list now, so I know exactly what to get. Follow my coupons. It's gonna be great. My total budget for the month is $1,000. So far I've spent $15 on medicine, $25 on gas, $14 on groceries. A friend of mine who's doing this challenge with me did some other grocery shopping, and I'm waiting for him to request an amount from me on Venmo. It probably won't be that much, but I'll add that to the amount once I get that. So far, I've only spent $54. I also have a book swap to go to today, so I'm gonna take all of the books I've already read and bring them and take some new books home. Before I do all that, I need some breakfast. We are running pretty low on food, so I'm going to make a smoothie based on what I find in the corners of my kitchen. Hello! The first thing we need is a Vitamix, my most prized possession. Almond milk, hemp hearts, the rest of the kale. I'm so happy that we got a brand new container of protein powder right before No Spend November started. I don't eat meat and I strength train. This is very important to me. Rolled oats. I really love this peanut butter from Trader Joe's because it's salted and it has flax and it has chia seeds, so I don't have to add those things in myself. Also adding a few walnuts for extra fat and other good stuff. Cinnamon. I always have 10,000 frozen bananas available. This is one of many bags. Actually, I'm gonna blend this a little bit before I add the frozen bananas. You know what else I'm gonna add? Big chunk of ginger, just to give it that little extra kick. One is for me right now. One is for Sean when he wakes up. He gets the bigger one. It's a good one. We're in my car again. I just left the grocery store. I'm so excited. I'm gonna come way under budget with food. My bill total was $36, which I'm going to split with my partner, Sean. What is that? $18. I spent $18 this week. Some keys to success this grocery store trip. I bought truly just my basic needs. I already have a bunch of beans at home. I have, gosh, I guess mostly beans. 2, I got in the mail yesterday all of those coupons, which took off almost $10 off of my bill. I also found a lot of good deals. Another thing that I think has been helpful, a little blessing in disguise, I have been sick and my appetite was squanched, and also I haven't been going to the gym because I was sick, so I'm eating like 1/3 of what I normally would. I went to my chiropractor today doing work on me since I got into that minor car accident. She told me I can't do much exercising for another week or so, which I don't really like. She said I could still do low intensity cardio, but I guess the positive side of that is that I eat way less when I'm not working out, so we won't go through our food as quickly. Good morning. Today ends the first full week of No Spend November, and I think it went pretty well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.